Knowing the right time to change the bedding of your broiler is very necessary. In this video, I will show you how often to change their bedding. I'm Chijindu Ryan from Farfest Academy. When to change their bedding depends on how wet the place is, when last you changed it. Like for rainy season, when everywhere used to be wet, you need to change their bedding at least every 3 to 4 days. That is how I used to change my own, because everywhere used to be very wet. Then during a dry season, when everywhere used to be dry, you need to change it at least once a week. Then don't listen to anybody that tell you that you need to wait till it starts smelling, when the ammonia levels starts entering the eye. By that level, it might have caused CLD or any other sickness for your broiler. So don't wait till it gets to that level. Then another thing is always make sure that whenever you see any wet spot in your pen, replace it with a dry one, as in replace it with a dry litter. And for me, this is how I used to know that their bedding is due for a change. As in, this is how I used to, for me, this is how I used to know that I need to change the bedding of my broiler chick. Whenever I enter their pen and I feel uncomfortable, as in I can't remove my boot, or I can't eat inside the pen, one, remove my boots and walk around barefooted in the pen. Three, after vaccination, sorry, then after vaccination, then the next one is after every treatment, a treatment of any disease at all, be it coccidiosis or any other sickness. After I completed the treatment, I will change the litters. This now, I know you've known the right time to change the bedding for your broilers. But if you want to know more things about how to raise a healthy broiler chick in rainy season, watch this playlist.